Brett, we're working on that. And that's why I'm saying give us time. But I will say it has not been helpful that we have hundreds of Republicans who are down in Detroit who were disenfranchised and kicked out of the observing. It is not helpful that Democrat-run cities did not allow Republicans to observe.
That's a problem.
And Democrat leaders have not come forward and said, let Republicans in. There's nothing to see here. That doesn't help with the trust and the unity coming out where people feel that there was a fair and free election. So those are things that Democrat-run cities have consistently done. And I think what happened in TCF in downtown Detroit is egregious. As I hear people, and I have it, I was looking at the index of the statements today, and there are hundreds of them. And they are situations where military ballots were not being transposed correctly, or they weren't able to observe it, or where they had ballots that they said were invalidated that were put back into the pile of being valid. These are the types of statements we're getting. We will be going legally with these and making sure they turn into affidavits, and that is a bit of a process. But when you have this many complaints, it is not something to be overlooked and ignored.